Hi everyone, welcome to New Bear. Today we're going to look at interlocking picots. This is an easy technique which gives us a really pretty decorative effect. I'm working a ring for this demonstration, but interlocking picots are made exactly the same way for both rings and chains. I've started my ring with 6 double stitches. You need to make at least 1 double stitch before you try to start making picots. The double stitch is what secures the picots in place. Now you can use a picot gauge for this if you prefer. Some of you will know that I don't work without a gauge. Occasionally there are exceptions to the rule. It's not really a rule, I cannot cope if things are out of whack. This is one of the rare times when I don't use a gauge. I find it too fiddly to be messing around with a gauge while trying to keep my picots together. So the one thing I do use is the pick on my shuttle. So when you're ready for your picot, work the first half of the double stitch just like you're about to make a normal picot, but instead of making the second half of the double stitch, we're going to pull that picot over and hold it in the pinch. Now we repeat what we just did. Make the first half of the double stitch, leave the picot space, and this is where I find my pick very helpful, by placing it through the picot I'm making as well as back through the first picot. I'm able to keep them exactly the same height. We just repeat that until we have as many picots as we need. So if you don't use a gauge or your pick, you might need to adjust the size of your picots as you go. We need to keep them consistent. So once you've finished your picots, when you have the amount that you need, secure them with a double stitch and finish out your stitch count. And close your ring. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.